In January 2005, a California state law extended the defensible space requirement around homes and structures to 100 feet. Defensible space provides access and safety for firefighters while drastically increasing the chances of your home surviving a wildfire. Creating defensible space may also increase the insurability of your property. During a firestorm, almost all vegetation will burn. Many plants are highly flammable in dry conditions and can ignite quickly, even healthy and well-watered. The Rancho Santa Fe Association is working on becoming a fire-adapted community. Fire-adapted communities consist of citizens working with their leaders and fire department to safely coexist with wildfire. Rancho Santa Fe has partnered with FireWatch to help with this effort. FireWatch was founded by Richard McCrate and Gus Calderon. Every summer, FireWatch creates aerial maps of the vegetation in Rancho Santa Fe to identify areas of high wildfire risks. These vegetation maps will be sent to all homeowners so they can understand and discuss their wildfire risks with community managers. The annual vegetation maps will help monitor changes to vegetative fuels over time. FireWatch collects aerial images by using GPS waypoints along a flight line. FireWatch uses multispectral imaging that captures light from specific wavelengths of the spectrum. Multispectral imaging can locate problems that are often invisible to the naked eye. FireWatch has created 4 types of vegetation maps with buffer lines showing the defensible space boundaries for each property in the Rancho Santa Fe Covenant. RGB is red, green, and blue, the colors that we see with our eyes. Red, green, and blue values are the primary colors that help us see and analyze images. RGB images show each parcel as seen in the visible light. They help determine the types of vegetation and the degree of defensible space. CAR is color infrared. Color infrared maps show the relative health of vegetation and the canopy structure. Shades of red and pink show healthy vegetation, while light to medium gray and brown shows native vegetation, such as chaparral. Dark gray and dark brown indicate dead or dying vegetation. NDVI is the Normalized Difference Vegetative Index. NDVI maps show the distribution of green vegetation cover. Dark green areas are generally large, dense vegetation. Non-vegetative areas are white to blue. This includes paved areas and hardscape. NGVE is the Normalized Green Vegetative Enhancement. NGVE maps help identify areas of reduced chlorophyll, which is a diagnostic of dead and dying plants. Specific features should be cross-referenced in all maps. Cross-referencing helps isolate subtle color variations in features of interest. For example, medium to dark gray features on a CAR map may be chaparral or dead and dying vegetation. Check the same location on the RGB map to determine the type of vegetation. Dark features on the NGVE map generally indicate dead and dying vegetation. Cross-check with the RGB or CIR map to confirm. In summary, strategic vegetation management is the single most important wildfire defense tool available to homeowners. Monitoring vegetative fuels over time can provide critical data for mitigating the risk of wildfires at the community level.